Now in this question 1 plus x raised to power n is equal to c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus then cn x raised to power n. We have to find the value of c1 plus twice of c2 plus thrice of c3 plus n times cn is equal to n times 2 raised to power n minus 1. Now starting from the left hand side. Now left hand side is c1 plus c2 plus c3 plus n times cn. Now to this what we can write it? We can write it nc1 plus twice of nc2 plus thrice of nc3 plus ncn. Now nc1 is what? Nc1 is n plus 2 times n minus 1 upon 2 factorial plus 3 times n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 3 factorial plus n times 1. N is what? It is 1. N plus n minus 1 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 2 plus n. Now taking n common, we are left with 1 plus n minus 1 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 2 plus 1. N with, now to this one, now what I am writing? I am writing n minus 1 c0, okay, plus n minus 1 c1 plus n minus 1 c2 plus n minus 1 c n minus 1. Now to this part we are writing n minus 1 c1, basically nc1 is what? N. So n minus 1 c1 is what? N minus 1. So we are having n minus 1. So this term becomes n minus 1 c0, it is what? 1. N minus 1 c1 is what? N minus 1. Similarly it goes like this. This is 2 factorial upon 2 factorial, like this one we are getting this term. N times 2 raised to power n minus 1. Now what we are having? nc0 plus nc1 plus nc2 plus ncn, or c0 plus c2 plus c0 c1 plus c2 plus cn is equal to 2 raised to power n. Is it clear? Now here we are having n minus 1. So it is c0, c1, c2 up to cn minus 1. That's why this will be 2 raised to power n minus 1. Is it clear? So main thing in this part is the thing which I just want to make you understand. It was how to write 1 with this one, how to write this with this one, how to write this term with this one, like this one. Is it clear? So this is equal to now right hand side, hence left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved.